Okay, good job on getting the riddle right. The riddle was I carry big loads on the highways and road and very seldom get stuck. I can roll with ease on 18 wheels. I'm a great big transport truck. So the letters C and K are pronounced K. These two letters make one sound. This letter cluster is called a digraph, coded with an underline right here and cross out the C. So we're going to place this card in our blue deck divider for a consonant cluster. We're going to place it right here. A consonant cluster has two or more adjacent letters that make one sound. And we're going to add it to this section. This is going to be our second card in this section. The first one was NG, and now we have CK. So I'm going to write some words on the board, and you're going to help me code the word, then read the word. Are you ready? S M A C K. L O C K. S A C K. S T A C K. And P I C K. So here's the first word that I wrote. That's S M A C K. So how will we code this word? How will we code that word? Because we know it ends in digraph CK. And how do we code CK?
Hit alignment.
All right, so we underline it, and what do we do with the C?
Cross it out.
Cross it out. And also, what do we code this short vowel with?
A breathe.
Okay, a breathe. Okay, now let's try to read the word. Let's sound it out. So what's the first word?
Smack.
Smack. She would smack the fly with a fly swatter. Okay, the next word we have, say the letters with me. L O C K. So how will we code this one?
Put a line under CK.
Okay.
And cross out the C.
All right.
Then put
a breathe over
the O.
Okay, now let's read it. So what's the word?
Lock.
And could you use lock in a sentence?
Yes. I locked the front door.
Okay. So since we're not doing past tense, we would say I will lock the front door. Good job. Okay, so the next word is, say the letters. S A C K. Now how will we code this one?
We underline CK.
Okay, underline CK.
We cross the C out.
Cross out C.
And we put a breathe on top of A.
Okay, now let's read the word. Sack.
Sack.
Okay, so you want to use sack in a sentence?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
My sack is too heavy.
Okay, good job. And the next word we have S T A C K. How will we code this one?
Underline CK.
Okay.
Cross out the C.
All right.
Put a breathe on
All right. Now let's sound it out.
Stack.
So what's the word?
Stack.
Okay. We would stack blocks after class. All right. And then that last one, what is it?
PICK.
Okay. All right. How do we code this one?
Hit a underline CK.
All right.
Cross out C.
Okay.
Hit a brief on top of I.
All right. Now let's read that word.
Pick.
Okay. Pick. So use pick in a sentence.
I pick up some apples.
Okay. Good job. All right. Now let me erase my board. All right. I'm going to put this board to the side for right now. We finished our application word. Now we're going to move into our reading practice. We're going to move into our reading practice. Let's take our reading practice sheet. Okay, you have your reading practice sheet?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for that first row, we're going to code. Go ahead and code. Read, code, prepare, and read. So how will we code this first word?
Hit a brief at the top.
Okay, we'll put a brief over which letter?
O.
And what do we do with that CK?
Underline it and cross the C out.
All right, so diagraph CK. We're going to underline CK and cross out the C. So prepare. Now read the first word.
Rock.
Okay, now code the second word.
Sack.
Okay, first code it.
Hit a brief over A. Underline CK and cross out C.
Okay, now what is the word?
Sack.
All right, and now for the last word, code it. Go ahead and code it. All right, now read the word.
Kit.
Good job. Okay, let's move to the second row. Code the first word. All right, prepare. Now read.
Pack.
All right, let's do the next word. Code. Prepare it. Now read it.
Slip.
Okay, good job. Now moving on to the third word. Go ahead and code it. Prepare. Then read.
Flock.
All right, so now we're on row 3. And for row 3, I want you to code that entire row. Okay, code the entire row. Prepare. Now read.
Look. Sock. Neck.
All right, good job. Now moving on to row 4, code only if you need to. Prepare, then read.
Truck. Slack. And stick.
Good job. For row 5, code only if you need to. Prepare, then read.
Stock. Peak.
Let's try that one again. What sound does E make?
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so read that word again.
Pack.
All right, and the last word?
Snack.
Good job. Now, okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions about these words. So on row 1, what can you find in the road? Looking at the words on row 1, what can you find in the road?
Rocks.
Okay, good job. On row 2, what do you do if you're going on an overnight trip?
Pack.
All right. For row 3, I put this on before my shoes.
Sock.
Okay. Row 4, if I throw this in the water, it will float.
Stick.
A stick. Good job. And for row 5, what do you eat at school?
Snack.
Okay, a snack. Now, for row 1, I want you to read it in a whisper. Read the entire row in a whisper. Go ahead. Okay. Now for row 2, we're going to read that starting with the last word first.
Kick.
The last word on row 2. Look at your paper. The last word on row 2. You can read this one out loud, but start with the last word. Sit down. Make sure you're sitting down.
Lock. Slip.
Okay.
Pack.
Good job. Now for row 3, let's put those words in alphabetical order and read them. So which word will come first?
Look.
Okay, what will come next?
Neck.
And what would be last?
Sock.
Okay, now in row 4, we're going to read that in our best spooky voice. Go ahead and try it.
Truck.
Ooh.
Slack.
Okay.
Stick.
All right, and for row 5, read those words as fast as you can.
Stop. Pick.
Try that word again. Start over on row 5.
Stock. Pick. Snack.
All right, good job. Okay, now we're going to take a minute to look at our regular word deck. All right, you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Okay. Listen.
Singing.
Is it singing?
Sing.
Okay.
Spin. Tip. Pit. Pin. It. Ass. Ear. Lip. Has. Ant. Sin. Eye. Spit.
Let's look at it.
Spit.
Okay.
Pants.
Stint.
Spit.
I'll put this one in a different group.
Pass.
Okay. Now, we're going to add truck, stick, and kick